decide mondo kata kok luonge ni handshake wang'e agenda
twak kata kan twak un kolga korumo bedo kanyo ka uwinje ochalo ni twak en mana mosruok kata handshake adier koso oyo korka kori
handshake ok wadwar
twak en handshake koso oyo korka kori kama nikech mane gimi osewacho ni mane gima ok odwar to onge ng'ama osewache kenda kwanza pok owache
nitiere jok mapondo gi gik moko mondo gidonje sirikal gi bakdo.
Daktari machiegni gik mathoth enya mantie kar ka nitiere points moko mantiere mag Kenya Kwanza kod mag Azimio magi ma yieri godo ni onego bed ni miyo pek kachelo koda ka duoko ma in go mora mora Salma.
Before Kapokatie Komana, I want to clear points. I'm a person who is focused, and I don't deal with this nonsense, cheap nonsense, make handshake. First of all, I want to say before this camera, Raila is not interested in handshake. He's interested in a united country. And interested, mark cost of living. And he is the leader of opposition. He needs to talk about what is happening. Salma, if you don't understand, I want you to understand that. He's the leader of opposition. And they are sitting as opposition. And they put the government of the day in checks. Wawinjore. Cleophas, kanga tobire emesa, kila ngato kelo chiembe emesa. Ngato wachon, let's discuss these issues. Awinjo ka Salma wachon na gin gi 14. Kata in ka wuono kidhi a divorce case. Ibo penji na ngomo kidwa chiegi. If you bring 10 down, you will narrate until to 3. You are told what is the most important issues. Koro kai wase wachoni from ours, because we are also coming to table as people who are equals. Wase wachoni wadwaro cost of living to be discussed, because that's what is hitting Kenyans right now. Tokwa wacho cost of living. Let people not be jittery. Cost of living wanyalo bet piny, because as Azimio, we don't lack facilities. We have people who are educated, who have been economists in this country, who have been public servants in this country. They can advise the government and say, here, if we sit down together, we'll be able to do this. And then the cost of living, IEBC, it is in the constitution that it's not the prerogative of one person. Mondo choose IEBC. People as consultants. It's a consultative thing. The third thing, we are talking about what? The servers. That's an Azimio agenda. We can, in the discussion, they can say, let's discuss, let's stop discussing about this. Even Jababa. Now, the last thing that I want to discuss about is our sense of unity and cohesion. That's the most important thing that we should be discussing. Our country should not fall aside because of political parties. At the end of the day, one Jo Kenya. At the end of the day, one Jo Nagi. You can shout, you can make noise, but at the end of the day, what defines us is Kenyans. What is making the life of Kenyans hard makes my life hard. And those are the discussions we should bring on the table. Baba is not interested. How many bullets? Nyocha neno ka nyithindo dako wuoyi bullets manyocho go nyithindo nyalenda. I saw a kid by a police. Police should only shoot the child on the leg. The brutality of the police, that's part of our discussion. Because these police too were injured. Why are they injured? Any demonstration in any country, we have demonstrations not only in Kenya, we have demonstrations in France, we have demonstrations going on in Germany, the country that I went to school to. We have demonstrations going on in the US. Every day there is demonstration in the US. But police don't shoot at the people. Do you get me? So we should be talking about what is uniting us, what is dividing us. We are not interested in Ruto's government, where people don't even know their functions as PSS and CSS until the president calls a conference and say, you don't even know, I know more about your ministry than I know. Are we interested in this mess?